Hi friends, this side Dr. Sonu Pawar, your microbiology faculty at Doc Tutorials, and I hope today you have done wonders in your INF8 exam and must be having a good ranks when the results are announced up. And the questions from the microbiology are very straightforward. If they are the same which the students have told up, I don't have the options, so that directly I will discuss of them. So without wasting time, let's start up. The medium for TB came, that is LJ. Okay. Along with LJ, you know that other medias are what Pitragini, Pawelski, Du Bois, Middlebrook, 7H10, 7H11. If these are all there in the options, so these are also the medium for TB. Okay. Otherwise, on LJ, rough, tough, and buff. In how much time? In 6 to 8 weeks. This is what is the colonies of the this particular TB bacteria. Okay, and that particular media is not having the agar, it is having the eggs, and malachite green is the selective agent. There was a question regarding Sporothrix kinki, and the Sporothrix kinki, you know guys, does sporotrichosis, rose gardener's disease, and I suppose there was a history of rose gardener, I don't know, and some Himalayan stuff was given up and flower like sporulation was shown up. And you know that yeast and mold form, dimorphic fungus it is, yeast and mold form, the mold form of this is flower like sporulation, that you know. Okay, so this is pretty straightforward one. The Sporothrix kinki, that is which leads to sporotrichosis. That is what is the answer. Waterborne hepatitis A and E, they are waterborne. Everybody knows fecal oral contamination happens because of which these particular hepatitis are there. Other ones are parental, sexual, and vertical. Fine. The pus from the wound, that was a question, and gram positive filamentous. Filamentous bacteria, what two names they come? One is nocardia, one is actino. Okay, and partially acid fast is nocardia. Okay, it is a pretty straightforward one. And what is the drug of choice for this? That is cotrimoxazole. And what is the culture? That is paraffin baiting. So that might be coming next. It might come in the FMG exam also, along with NEET PG obviously. Cold sterilization, another favorite stuff, already discussed properly in the videos or doc tutorials. The cold sterilization. Cold sterilization means which doesn't raise the temperature of the surface. And gamma rays, X-rays, cosmic rays, these are there. Hot sterilization is UV and infrared. And I suppose options were having autoclave. Autoclave is moist heat sterilization, that you know. And moist heat is better than the dry heat. So 3-4 questions they come with sterilization, and that's good actually. The drug of choice for facial hepatica was asked, and that I have discussed in the video. That is triclabendazole, because it is different from others. Because for the cystodes and rheumatoids, what you use? Prezi. Exceptions are NCC and this particular Echinococcus granulosus and facial hepatica. Facial hepatica triclabendazole, for Echinococcus granulosus albendazole, and for the neurocystic sarcosis albendazole. Before albendazole, steroids. So that you already know. Ascaris not associated with. So that was, I suppose, the question in Helminth. And one of the options are rectal prolapse. So rectal prolapse, easily that you can able to answer. Antibiotic sensitivity testing. Okay, I don't think antibiotic sensitivity testing was asked in this way. So might be for the MIC and all. So that is also sort of sensitivity. They want to ask that particular thing. So that is being done using E-test. And E-test is what, guys? Absilometer test. What is E-test? Absilometer test. That is there. One thing. And absilometer test is a test in which you look out for the zone of inhibition, and you look out for the MIC, that is minimum inhibitory concentration for the drug. So that might be the one of the options, because other options you easily can rule out if you have done properly. Allergic precipitation test was there, and that is being done for the condiment diphtheria. CAM test is for GBS, and the latex agglutination test is for the cryptococcal or any other what do you say, capsule and all. So basically antigen antibody reaction is latex agglutination. Fine. There was a question regarding cryptococcus. Cryptococcus was being asked, and extrapulmonary cryptococcosis is the AIDS defining link. Yes, it is. And there is one species of this that is termed as Gati. That is bird-borne. Yes, that is bird-borne. Tree-borne, eucalyptus, it associates one. So this is also there. And I suppose it was being given up that it is urease positive. Pathogenic ones, they are urease positive and melanin positive. These are there. Cryptococcus neoformans, subspecies, these are Gati and Gruby. They are there and they are pathogenic, and they are urease positive and melanin positive also. One extra point I'm telling up. Okay, CD4 count, what about the Cryptococcus? Less than 200. Whenever the CD4 count goes this particular cryptococcal meningitis is very much in the foray to happen. Okay, so I suppose this was easily being ruled out. Wire loop is sterilized by dry heat sterilization. Flaming, you know, flaming, incineration, and hot air oven. These are there, and dry heat is used for this wire loop sterilization. You put up in that until it becomes red hot. I've told them this. Then there was some, what do you say, fill in the blank, not exactly fill in the blanks, match the following. Donovanosis, I've told you. Calamity calamitis, in the initial lecture only I tell this, that it is a bipolar state stuff. Oroya fever. Oroya fever, you know that Oreo biscuit, when you open, what do you see? Bacteria. So Bartonella bacilliformis, that you know. Rat bite fever, Spirilla minus, if it's there, or it is Streptobacillus molliformis. Okay, they are associated with rodent stuff. Pinta. Which car? Punto car. So that is Treponema caritium. Necrotizing fasciitis was there, guys. And necrotizing fasciitis, you know, flesh-eating bacteria. Which one? Streptococcus pyogenes, because it have that. Important is necrotizing fasciitis also being done by Staph aureus. But few cases of this, they are done by the Staph aureus. So the better answer is which one? The better answer is Streptococcus pyogenes for the necrotizing fasciitis. What is the most common cause of diarrhea in the children? The most common cause of diarrhea in children is Rota. Okay, so everybody knows Rota is the most common cause, and it is a double-stranded RNA virus, segmented, and this particular one is there having a double-stranded RNA, and it is segmented. 11 segments are there in this particular Rota virus. Other than that, it is non-enveloped. This might be asked, and NSP4 is the one, non-structural protein 4, which plays a role in secretory diarrhea. So this also you should know regarding the Rota. Okay. The Madura foot, inoculation in the foot, I suppose this came, and there was an option regarding Madurella mycetomatis and all. So that's a straightforward one regarding the mycetoma. That is the Madura foot stuff. Urethritis in males, obviously it will not be caused by Trichomonas vaginalis, which is an infection of the females. And this particular one, Trichomonas vaginalis was one of the options in which, yes, infection can happen in the males, but I think the Gardnerella vaginalis came. That can't happen in the female. So I suppose that was the answer. You can also tell that exactly what were the options and what exactly you marked up in that particular question. Is it fine, guys? So these were the various questions which I could able to get, and the other ones which came, you can definitely tell up in the comment section that this was also there. And by these particular questions, it seems that the questions are very straightforward, not very complex. And if you have done the notes properly, you would have done all of them correct. Okay, you would have done all of them correct, and definitely add up to the list that various ones which are there, and I will be happy to tell you the answers of this particular one. A very best of luck from my side. So thank you so much, and do tell up properly so that I can have a proper recall of all these particular questions. Fine. So thank you.